Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a free Python module which allows you to get the rates of all the currencies in the world. You can basically make a currency converter kind of an application using this module. So you will see we are converting from United States dollar into Indian rupees. So if I execute this Python script here, you will see it will exactly tell you the rate here inside the Indian rupees 100 USD, so 8,526. So it's exactly scraping all the live rate. You can also cross verify as well by typing this. You will see 8,569. So it is exactly printing out the correct rate. So the module that we are using is currency converter. So if you just type this on the module, so it is actually scraping the live rate using web scraping. For this, you don't require any sort of API key. Simply install this by executing this command. I've already installed it. So after installing it, it becomes really easy. You first of all require this module from currency converter dot main class. We need to import this class, which is currency converter, and then we simply initialize this class here, currency converter. After that, we specify which currency that we want to convert by using this convert method. And here you can type here 1, and here you can specify USD and target currency. So if you want to convert this from United States dollar to euro, then you can print out the actual result. So if you just see now, it will tell you the rate of $1 in euro, which is 0.90. So you can cross verify it. You can see exactly it is roundabout right. So here you can just type any currency GBP. So you will see Great Britain pound. Here you will see 0.75. INR, which is for Indian rupees, you will see 85.26. AUD, which is Australian dollar, you will see. So all the currencies are supported, guys. You will see New Zealand. You can build out a currency converter kind of an application using this module, and it also has a bunch of other methods as well. So let's suppose you want to get all the currencies, then it will print out all the currencies that it supports inside this array. So USD, European, you will see all the major currencies are supported right here. So this is actually the module, guys. You can definitely use it. It's completely free. Install it and start using it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.